Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. This is Bobby Knight. This is the Night Trader channel, and we are taking a look at the live market right now. We are keeping our eyes on the AMC squeeze. We are keeping our eyes on the Gamestop squeeze. We are watching the crypto market. We are just watching markets all around, and we are figuring out what we want to do with our plays. We are, like I said, we are watching the AMC squeeze happen as we speak. Let's take a look. So AMC right now is at 1779 in the pre-market. And it just keeps running and running. It looks like the hedge funds have doubled down on their shorts, which is amazing for us. I guess they just don't learn. I guess this is a battle of wills, but they don't give a crap, and they are going double down on it, is what it looks like. And according to some other information I've seen, it looks like millions of shares were borrowed yesterday. Even during the squeeze, it looks like they're going to try to push us down again, but them taking on more short positions is just the fuel we need to get this up to the $20, $30, $40, $50 range. Now, will we see $100, $200, $500, $1,000 from AMC, $10,000? I don't know. We hear a lot of crazy, not crazy, but we hear a lot of high hopes from a lot of YouTubers out there, especially ones that are, mainly AMC and GameStop, and that's cool. I think those guys are all great guys. I hope all that happens. I don't know if that's 100% going to happen this year, but it is definitely starting to look real good. So I haven't decided. I've been diamond-handed on this for a long time now on both of these stocks. I'm also still in BlackBerry. I got 250 shares of that, just kind of ruminating around my buy price. But maybe it'll pull them up with it, but we are concentrating on AMC and GameStop right now, and they are just running. Now, if we just back up to the 5-minute, you could see that this is just consistent parabolic movement, a little bit of a retest right there on what looks like VWAP. Yeah, retest on VWAP right there, and just continues to rise up. AMC, this definitely looks like a pullback is somewhere imminent, kind of along the lines of this. But we will find out. But it has just been going up. It hit VWAP right here and just launched from 1709, currently sitting at 1787 in the pre-market. This is just absolutely amazing growth. Give me one moment. Let me check my levels real quick. And let's see what happens when I face this direction. If I face this direction, and I could look at both screens. I got just too many screens at different places. Oh yeah, it sounds fine. So that's great. Love that mic. I want to just say Blue Yeti mics, absolutely amazing Yeti mics. Get yourself one if you're doing any type of streaming. Let me just back out of that sound so I don't have to hear myself in the background. All right. Anybody that's in the stream, please go ahead and leave a comment. Please like and subscribe if you get any value out of this material. Bitcoin just breaking just now in the last few minutes from 39 up to 41, about to break the sell area, running into a buy signal. Let's take a look. Let's go ahead and make this larger real quick. Bitcoin. So now Bitcoin's important. Oh, it looks like Mo's in the house. Morning, Bobby. Listening to you on the down low from the office. Got me 100 shares at AMC at 14 last week. Can't post much for now, but listening. Hey, Mo, we always appreciate you coming. I'm happy that you're in on AMC. Definitely because of your position and where you're at. I think that you should watch for some pullbacks and maybe do a little bit of flipping. Now, for most people, I'm going to say hold on to your shares. Hold on, let me just make this large. Hold on to your shares, hold strong, because I think we're going to see a massive squeeze, but we will see some pullbacks in the meantime. There will be some short attacks. Believe me, they're not just going to let this happen. They borrowed a whole crap load of shares. So if you're up right now, you might want to watch for your RSI for a dip down to the 30s. You might want to watch for a MACD that's looking at some sell pressure, and you might want to do some flipping. If you're Mo, that's specific to Mo. Everybody else hold on to your shares, but Mo, I want you to kind of flip around, flip that in, come back in at a lower, at another price and get more shares. If that's what you want to do. I have I'm like worried about Mo, like on a day-to-day basis. I want to make sure he gets all that money. I want to make sure he gets his money back and make sure he, makes a whole ton more. In the future. So something to consider. I'm going to hold this no matter what happens. I still got hella call options. I got call options for 2022 even on AMC. So I'm going to diamond hand this, but I know there's a good amount of people. Listen, I day trade too. I scalp. I get it. This is a play to scalp if you're not in the movement or have been holding for months. And I get that, and I'm not going to hate on you for it. It's a good opportunity, especially now that we're at $17.95. Oh, my God. We are going to break 18 in the pre-market at only 8:12 Eastern Standard Time. Wow. So we don't even know where this can go. This is not showing. I mean, it looks like we're getting a little close on our MACD to turn around, but it's still upwards momentum. Let's take a look at this. This is just brightened up. So buy pressure is coming in at this level. Do I have a VPVR here? I do not. I'd kind of like that. Let me, instead of switching up and adding, one of these charts with a million indicators on it, let me go ahead and throw the VPVR in there. I'm going to have to mess with it a little bit, but then I'll just make this, another chart. All right, so VPVR, this is where we see the volume profile and the point of control. That's where the most volume and buys are. So that's where your people are holding the most right now. Let me change a little bit of this up. This is always confusing to me with these colors. So I'm just going to change that up real quick. Oh, thanks, Bobby. Thinking of selling out of my XRP at a 20% loss to stick another 3K on AMC. XRP, listen, are you thinking that will play out in the next few days? Oh, yes. I mean, it looks like the squeeze has started. Now, if we're going to get an attack, it's going to be today or tomorrow to try to stop it, which if we continue with our buy pressure, which means it's going to keep going. I think that it started. I think that it started, and I think that we're going to keep going. I do not know. Hold on. I hate this. Up volume. Give me that in green. Just give me the down volume in red. And up volume in green. God, I don't know why they got to make it blue and yellow and blah, 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 blah. I guess there's a lot of red and green on charts already. This is interesting. All right, so you always want your point of control up here. We're not going to worry about the values, and let's just press OK right there. Now I got a point of control. Yeah, but Mo, 100%. XRP is going to blast. I'm telling you that right now. So I don't know if you should sell at a loss because XRP is going to blast sooner than later. I'll tell you, I found out, through some research that the Rothschilds own like 8%. And I know you know who the Rothschilds are because you're over there in England or the UK, whatever, however you want to call it. So the richest people on the planet, which you're not going to see them in any lists because they're shady like that. I don't know. They might be aliens. I don't know. I doubt it. But yeah, they got a huge stake in XRP, which means XRP, that's just one of the many reasons that XRP is going to blast. So if you have to pull from a position, I don't know if XRP is definitely the one. Let's take a look at it for you real quick. I don't have it in my bot because XRP stopped trading where my bot runs. So let's just look at it just anywhere. Let's look at it on Bitstamp. Bitstamp's usually a big leader. All right, so XRP. This is just to give you an idea where XRP is going. The entire crypto market's coming up. I think we skipped the flash crash. I don't think it's going to happen now. That being said, if we don't break 43, we might be in for another drop down to like the 32, 33 area on Bitcoin, which will drag the entire market down. Unless we go into some sort of alt season, which I feel like we had a few months of that, and now it's seeing its retrace right now. XRP is about to turn. It's low on the RSI, which means it's coming up. We had a good amount of days in the red. I mean, this is going to go up with the rest of crypto. I don't know, man. I mean, AMC is it's kind of tough to start jumping in at $18. If you're going to sell out of any positions, I'd be careful with getting rid of XRP. I'd at least keep a little bit of it. But I mean, if you could see right here, that we're turning. We're turning around just like we did right here. So you could see, you know, we're 2 bars of decreasing sell pressure, increasing buy pressure. And on the fourth bar, on this last time that this happened, we saw a buy signal. So where do we go now? So on the buy signal came a little bit late, but you can see that starting here on the sell pressure leaving, we just started going up, 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 up. And then this buy signal almost was opposite, and then we dropped right there. So that was kind of crappy the way that worked out, but that's okay. That's why you need to know a lot of indicators. So, I mean, if you're going to get into AMC further, wait for the short attack or the pullback that'll happen. I don't think we're going to be parabolic on it just yet. If we are, then, you know, not financial advice. I don't know. But, I mean, look, we just went from 18 to 1793. This is going to be fought against. So, Mo, if you're going to get in further while taking a loss on what I see as a super winning play like XRP, just make sure you get in on like maybe like a 1 hour 30 RSI, something like that. Like, you know, what is this? Oh, this is still XRP. So if I jump over to, oh, you know what? Let me go over here. I'll keep this one as positions. So this will be stocks. See now, you know, not for nothing, but a lot of these YouTubers that got big because of AMC and GME are now talking about cryptocurrency. I've been talking about cryptocurrency since the beginning, and you know, I mean, I know you gotta adapt to make sure you keep your following and all that other stuff. But just saying, they're not OGs. They're like learning about it this year, and it's not like they don't know what they're doing. They're all really good. They probably got more money than I do. Maybe I've been in crypto for a long time, so I don't know if they got. I was buying Bitcoin at 3,000. I don't know if they were in there, and like, you know, that was like, you know, 2016, 2017 was where I started to pay attention. I was looking in 2013, and I was like, I don't know. Let me tell you, if I can go back in time, that's not the only thing I would change, but that's one of them. I would get in, you know, in Bitcoin when it was like $20, and I was like, I don't know about all this, but it just goes to show you that you never know with these things. Now, at a 20% loss, stick another 3K on AMC. Listen, if you're going to sell at a loss, at least wait a little bit. I think we're going to have a run today. Maybe sell it break even, but not all of it. Keep some XRP. XRP is going to do it, my man. And then wait for the pullback on AMC. If we just keep flying on AMC, you know, I just don't, that's just not how it works. Usually, if they're, you know, usually, I think we can still, let me do a quick, analyzation. Now, analyzing AMC with technical analysis is kind of stupid, and fundamentals, oh my God, look at how long I've been drawing lines on this. Look at this. I've been drawing lines on this since 577. Oh man, that must have been my first resistance. So it just goes to show you how long I've been looking at this. Oh, and it's just been riding this forever. So I don't know what chart this is. This is ridiculous. There's too much crap going on. Let me get that out of there. Okay, so AMC. Now, let's just say AMC wasn't this crazy stock that... Hold on, let me get a sip of coffee. Let's say AMC wasn't this crazy meme stock that millions of people are fighting against hedge funds, you know, to beat. then what I would say is it looks like, you know, this is like any other parabolic run. It has to have a retrace. And I'm gonna throw the big dog at you real quick. Let me pull it up. Does it have my... Let me just get one thing out of the way. Let me go to AMC. Oh, okay, so it's got position. So you can see my 700 that I have on Ameritrade here, but that's not a big deal. Whatever, look at it if you want. So this is for Mo. This is Motive Wave right here. So this is AMC primary analysis. Motive Wave is worth its weight in gold. I didn't even get a monthly subscription. I bought the shit outright. Because it's just worth its weight in gold. I cannot find an Elliott Wave predictor as good as this anywhere. Not on TradingView, not on Wave Basis, not freaking anywhere. So I bought this joint. It was expensive, but it was worth it. I did a little bit of negotiations because you always should. Let's just take a look at all of the points of... So it's basically calculating the highest probability Elliott Wave direction. And it will change on you. It will repaint, but for the most part, it's pretty correct. And oh, it looks like I am way over. Listen, don't be an indicator head like me. I just love the colors and you know, watching for confluence. But don't be an indicator head like me. I just got too much of them everywhere I go. Like if you look at any of my stuff, I got 20,000 indicators. Anyway, the most important one is this Elliott Wave right now. And this is what it's calling for on AMC on the 1 minute. It's saying that we can hit 1825 if this plays out by, you know, before 8:45 a.m., which I don't know if that's going to happen like that. This is more of like, you know, but look at this pullback right here. This is just why I'm saying don't necessarily buy. If you're going to do what you're doing and you're going to drop out of something to get into Gamestop or to AMC, just make sure you get into AMC on a pullback so that if things go south, you can average down from there, or, you know, you're still not in at a crazy price. I mean, look, we're running down right now. You can't have a parabolic run like this and not have a retrace. So it's calling for a small retrace to about 17, let's see, 67. If I go to Elliott Wave real quick, let me get some options. Show legends, show the values in the legends. All right, so this should show me then that this is, where is this at? So this would be at 1774. So, all right, look at that. So it came down right to where, I don't know if I want all the little pieces, because this is showing like the small wave. If it's like these mini ones, these are the small waves. The large waves are usually outside of circles. So here's your big 1 to a big 2, going to a big 3. And then we'll most likely, let me see, this is a... I don't know where the wave ended. Elliott Wave is super complicated, but once you learn it, it really gives you some great odds. But look, it went straight to the 4. I believe these should be 5 moves. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be a 5 somewhere. I don't see it. And then I see 2, 3, 4, A, B. There should be a C somewhere. So there's going to be a C somewhere in this move. This is your big move, your 2 to your 3. Which just had, there's a lot of waves in here. We're going to go ahead and back this out a little bit just so that it's easy for, you know, even beginners. It's still hard for me. Crap, I'll tell you. But you know what? That gave us more points, more data points. You want as many data points as possible just so you could see what the mini moves are going to be. Because there's like... So yeah, it is calling for 2 to end at, you know, 1824, but with a bang here and a bang there and a bang there. So this is showing the possibilities, because I don't think you can have all these different waves inside of a larger wave. It's usually 3 or 5 inside of a large wave, or, you know, 3 or 5 subwaves. So I can see that we didn't start on a 1. This is a 2. So maybe, so this should be, so here's, okay, so here's 2 going to 3. Here's your 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's 5? 5. So this completed a 5 inside of your 2 to 3. And then there's your, where's your A? A, B, C. And then A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. and that hit perfect. And it looks like we're going for another ABC inside of this larger 3. And it looks like this 5 is about to close out, and we should be heading to B now. I know that's a little confusing. We can get more into it later. Even I'm still learning Elliott Wave at this point. That's why I got an AI Elliott Wave platform, because I just felt like Elliott Wave, with the amount of statistics and probabilities involved in Elliott Wave, I just feel like a computer is going to do it better. So that's why I went that route. But you could see right here in the indicators on our RSI division, or what do you call it? Whew, I got too early in the morning. So this is on our RSI div. So this is showing divergence. Our stochastic RSI is hitting a buy signal. Our MACD is turning to the upside, and our directional trend is on its way back up. Excuse me. Now this is the WBTTI. Is this William Blau? Yeah, William Blau's directional trend indicator. And let me just go to the study. Where is it? Directional trend index. All right. So it's basically indexing the trends and giving you the best possible indicator of what direction the trend is going. Looks like we were going up, hit our midline, came back down, and now we're bouncing off of our bottom line, and hopefully we're going to see a turnaround. It looks like everything up, a little bit of a turnaround on the RSI divergence. I should have my regular RSI on here, but I just have my stochastic, and I don't want to double up on too many indicators. Like there's probably a million here now. But if you look at my trading view, this is my small one. This is like my Night Trader 2 with RSI divergence, which is right here, which I've really found to be a really good indicator. So anyway, as I was saying, keep your eyes out for XRP. This is for Mo. Where's XRP? Oh, I don't have it here. I'll keep cryptos on this side. XRP, USD. We're gonna go to Bitstamp, because Bitstamp seems to like basically not control the market, but like it's almost in the future. Sometimes I'll have Bitstamp up just to see where Bitcoin is going, and then it sometimes follows, which is kind of crazy. Here it is right here, I believe. Yeah, this is just the ticker, and then it has a lot of options for which ones you want to choose. Let me just know real quick, if you're in the stream, is my video okay? Is my mic okay? Does it sound okay? And does it look okay? Just let me know, and let me make sure. Yeah. Let me get some. Let's see what this looks like. It's not all fitting for whatever reason. Everything else fits fine, but this one's not fitting. All right, so I just found out AGGR.trade has Doge, and I guess you could put a lot in there. Now, AGGR.trade, this is something this channel and I am preaching all the time. Get this in your arsenal. It's free. It aggregates all of the longs and shorts. I added the 1 hour and the 2 hour. I didn't know you could do that, but I did. I'm going to do that to Bitcoin too, actually, because I don't have it. Let me add that. So now, if you're on AGGR.trade, which is a free service, it aggregates all of the longs and shorts over all of the exchanges, almost all of them, all the ones that matter. And it really gives you a great, like if a dump's happening and you can see like 200 million shorts to like 4 million longs, get in on that crap. And then when it starts fading, get out. It's really good if you're day trading crypto. And it's really good just to let you know in the short term, or if you want to go a little bit longer, what direction we're going and what all the different brokerages are doing. So let me just add on to this. Where are you? Counter. All right, let me add 60 minute and 240 minutes. So that's our 1 hour and our 4 hour. X that out. So that'll start. I mean, it'll restart whatever, but it's good to see that. You kind of want to see. You want to see these all in confluence. If they start diverging, if this one's short and this one's long, then you're going to have some volatility. I find that the movement happens on the 30 and the 1 minute, really. Like this looks like it's going to go up, right? So We just saw a little bit. Now, sometimes it'll do the opposite, but look, look, look. So we're coming in on the longs, but it's real weak volume, 603,000. Like, we want to see millions and millions. So look at that. So that just goes to show you that it's not 100%, but this looks like it's going to fade. It might fade when it hits this, I believe this is the SMA. Let me see what color this is. This is in green. So this is a 50 in green. What's in purple? Couture, is that supposed to be color? Is that an L? Yeah, I guess so. Buy, sell, EMA, volume, sell, EMA, red. I don't even see a red. Oh, that's on the volume. Okay, so that's down here. Here's your sell EMA, here's your buy EMA. So I want to say that the purple is the CMA. 21 CMA. I've never seen the C. I don't know if that's like Bush League or not, but a CMA moving average. What's the C? In general, oh wait, a moving average is commonly used with time series data to smooth out short, blah blah blah. Note that smoothing moving averages by another moving average in general is known as a double moving average, and CMA is an example of it. 2n times MA. So I guess it's a double moving average is a CMA. All right, well that's interesting. It seems to looks like it actually is showing some viability as a 21 day. Let me change this color. Let me make everything kind of like where everything else is at. All right, so this is a 21 day. My 21 days are always in blue. I said blue. Hold on, do I gotta move this shit up? Blue. There we go. Blue. Okay, great. So my 21 is in blue. What is this? Another 21 in purple. Why not get a... So this is the CMA. Let's throw a 200. Let's put that bitch in red. My 200s are always in red. I want to always stick with the same color scheme. My 21s, my 9s, 15s, and 21s are always in blue. My 200s are always in red. My 50s are always purple. So I got a 50 over here on an SMA. 50. And let me get you in purple, my man. Purple. Okay. There we go. I don't see anything else. What are these about? SMA 2. Green. So this is a 50. All 50s are purple. Purple. Exit out. What's this white one? Looks like it's just going with the volume profile. Okay. So, and speaking of the volume profile, which I believe I was messing with before. There we go. So there's our volume profile. I'm going to go ahead and save this template so that it's there. A night. So with RSI div / VPVR. Just kind of shows me what the difference is. Save that. I'm going to go ahead and star that because that's the one I want to use. I got way too many here. Excuse the amount that I have. I really try out a lot of stuff as far as indicators. All right, so like I said, we're seeing a fade on AMC right now. This is the 1 hour. You can't really tell. You could tell on the 1 minute. So we are still 8:34. We're about 56 minutes from this opening bell. And all right, so we're seeing a fade right now, hitting off of the VWAP. I really wish my VWAPs were... Now, you know what? They're a different color. I'll just leave them. Usually they're dashed, so it's just kind of throwing me up, but they don't have good dashes on here. They got better dashes on, like, Thinkorswim. We hit 1808, and now we're fading down to 1767. Now, this is what I was talking about, is that it's not just going to happen bam, 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 you know, up to $1 million. Like, we're going to see a lot of jump backs and a lot of people fighting this. Let's see, my Keltners, where are we? So we're falling to the bottom of the Keltner, and it looks like the Keltner channel is holding it up. Oh, and it bounced just like we thought it would off of the Keltner. Came down to the VWAP. VWAP held strong as hell, and now it's bouncing off of the Keltner. And now it is fighting with the 50 simple moving average and the midline of the Keltner channel. And still on a downtrend. Still on a downtrend. I'm using super trend just to kind of give me, I mean, there's a lot of possibilities, but I've been trying it just to see how accurate it is, and it's pretty damn accurate, I'll tell you. It caught this bottom. I mean, it was a little late, but it kind of figured it out around here, and then it caught this top like almost perfectly within three bars, 3 pips, whatever you want to call them. So I'm really liking the super trend. I believe that's what this is. This is all free stuff. I don't have any paid indicators on TradingView anymore. I stopped paying for them. I pay for enough crap. Okay. What are your thoughts on the crowds touting 100K for AMC? Seems a little bit crazy to me. Listen, it's possible. I wouldn't bank on 100K, bro. Now, can it happen? It can happen. In the realm of possibility, it can happen. I could become a billionaire tomorrow. We can go into World War III tomorrow. Anything can happen. I just think that's like, wow. God, that'd be a lot of money. I wish. I think that's, here's the thing. Once we start hitting that 30, 40, 50 area, I think a lot of people are going to sell at 50 and 100. I don't think they're going to sell their whole positions if they really, really believe. I think the true believers are going to hold until 1,000, whatever it is. But I think the day traders and all the people that are in it to like lock in their profits are going to be selling at 50 and like 99. So I'd start taking a little bit out as we go up. A lot of people will say take it out as we go down, but I just don't know. Like, the math doesn't seem to make sense to me. I know that if the hedge funds keep over shorting this and they get failure to delivers and then the margin calls, then we could see a ridiculous push that is out of this world. But I just, would be happy with a K. Realistically, I'm targeting 100 to 200. Same here, bro. Like, once we get to 50, I'll probably take 5% out. Once we get to 100, I'll take 5%, 10% out. And if we just keep moving, I'm going to ride it. But I'm locking in some profits on the way because I don't like looking at it in a portfolio that goes up to 100 grand and then all of a sudden it's down to 40 grand because I'm, wishy-washy and want to ride this to the moon no matter what. I get it. Like, I 100% get the movement. I love it. I haven't sold. I sold some AMC in the beginning when it was fading back because I was losing faith in it. I still have 760 AMC shares, 700 on Ameritrade, 60 on Webull. They're both highly up. One has an average of 6, one has an average of 9. I got 5 Gamestop left. I shaved a lot of those off in like the 180s, 190s. So, I didn't diamond hand in the beginning. That being said, I haven't sold a GameStop or an AMC in like 2 months. Probably 2 months I've been holding. Like, in the beginning, I got a little, freaked out. I was like, I don't know about all this. And I wanted to get into other stuff that was moving. But now it's moving, and I'm happy that I kept what I kept. I wish I kept it all, but you know what? It is what it is. Realistically, I'm targeting 100 to 200. Honestly, I would take chunks out of your position at 50, 100, and 200. Small chunks. If you see huge momentum and we're just blowing, but just lock in a little bit. Lock in a little bit. If we get that high, you should be able to pull out your initial investment off the bat and then just kind of ride the rest. Let me get a sip real quick. I apologize. I'm trying to do it quietly because I sound like an asshole when I like sipping on coffee like a freaking, like a loudmouth. Just real quick, if you're in HCMC right now, which I'm in. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me back up. I'm seeing that Mo saying something. Had 500 shares in AMC from January, February. Like you, lost faith, sold out, and only back in from last week. Yeah, so listen, 100%. I didn't lose complete faith, but I started shaving. Like, I had over 1,000 AMC shares. And then once it wasn't moving, 12, 13, I sold 25, 50. I didn't want to ever get out of my position because I still always held hope, but I did, I wanted, it wasn't about losing faith. It was about risk management. I was like, I got to pull out some of this money just in case this all goes to crap, just in case. So it sucks. But listen, I've had millions of Doge and I sold them for pennies. And when I say pennies, I mean the millions for pennies. I don't mean them for pennies each. So, I have stocks that I sold at 90 cents 3 months ago that are $30 or, $20. Bingo, I bought BNGO. I bought it like 80 cents and sold it like $2. It went up to like 15. It's just what it is, but as long as you're profiting, no matter what, there's always another play. You just can't get, and that's why everybody always says, don't be emotional. Don't be emotional about it. I get emotional about it because I believe in stuff. Oh, wait, here we go. I got something from Mo. HCMC, I forget exactly how many, maybe 150,000 at around 416. Yeah, that's a little high. I'm pretty high too. Let's see, at HCMC, I'm in at 226. I got 2 million shares. And then I have with my options. So what are you going to get? If you're going to get, let's see. So I think you're, 37.5 and 37.5 is 75, which is half of 150. So you, I believe, are privy to 37,500 shares at that 25% discounted price. Is that what's happening? Does it say 37,500 shares are available under 422 RGTO? I'm sorry, T019 on your thing? Because I'm waiting for this to come in. I'm grabbing all 500,000 shares that I'm privy to at 25% off. I think HCMC is going to win the lawsuit, bro. Not financial advice. I think they're going to win the lawsuit, and now they're accepting cryptocurrency. They are staying in the news. If they stay in the news and they stay relevant, shit, they might be able to make it without the lawsuit. Like, decent. And if they pull back from that float, we just want to see, we want to pull those floats down. We always want lower floats. I'm seeing a lot of movement right now. New high for GME at 231.75. My Momo indicator is just going like crazy. My phone is going nuts. Oh, it's not showing me all of them. Let me go back. Let me see. Did it show up on Benzinga? Benzinga, man. I don't know if you were worth every penny. Maybe. I mean, I think so, but like, where's AMC? What, AMC's not moving? AMC should be in here. It's gotta be. There's people moving faster than that. I don't even see it in. Is there a filter I don't know about? Oh, there is a filter I don't know. Alright, so I put it on super low. I put it on super low because I was looking for pennies to get into. So hopefully it's still not there. Come on, man. Well, I know GameStop's not going to be there. All right, you know what? Fuck it. Infinity. Just put them all. Just give me all of them. No, stop it. Pre-market, session. Okay, that's it. Applied filters. God, slow as hell. Are you planning on, Mo, are you planning on grabbing those 37,500 shares at 25% off as soon as they're available? Because I'm grabbing all 500,000 that I'm privy to. So this is why I'm not seeing AMC and GameStop, obviously. Or at least AMC, applied filters. All right, so are you going to do something? This is over this session. So are you telling me... Yeah, auto refresh. Oh, every minute. Man, I want it every second refresh. Comparing yesterday. Yeah, I want it way quicker than that. I want 10 seconds or less. Alright, so when that turns, AMC and GME should be somewhere on this list. Hadn't even thought about that. Need to check my platform using Trading 212. Every platform, I believe, offers you the direct offering. If you believe in HCMC, then I would grab those shares. It's probably not going to be a lot. Especially since it's, it's so sub penny. It's like, it's like SHIB prices. Little bit higher, but, Actually, if SHIB got to that, I'd be pretty happy. And yes, I did get in on a meme token. Call me what you want. But you know what? All the other big dogs are talking about it too. So, I mean, that's why I got in, because everybody's talking about it. And I decided SHIB, if I was going to get into a shit coin, I was looking at SafeMoon. I'm like, wow, look at all the money. I got in too late on those things. Like, the people that made all the money on those are the people that literally got in on them the day that they, the day that they released, got billions for pennies, and then made a shitload of money. We got to see another huge parabolic rise for like me to get in, because I got in. God, I got in way too high on SHIB, but I still think it's going to go. I just want it to be 1/100th of a cent. That'll give me, I don't know. I have 67 million SHIB. Bought over time. I always average in. I started at like, somebody convinced me, they didn't convince me into it, but they gave me the idea, and then I convinced myself. God, I wish that these, I wonder if I bring up, who's making all those things? Actually, you know what? Webull. Can I get desktop notifications on Webull? Let's see. I'd really like these notifications to come up. Alright, I gotta log in, so let me pull that off the screen. That's all I need. Click to log in. Oh, yes. I did not want that to be shown. Wait, is that definitely... Huh. I don't even know. Wow, I wish I didn't sign up with that email. Okay, that's fine. So we're in now. I guess I gotta... Let me also go to my account so I could do that login. Yeah, so many passwords. All right, trading. Wow, look at that. I'm up just on Webull. This was a small account. This is like a little play account. It's up to 1,842. I don't even know what I put into it. 1,200 something. It was like a little bit at a time, just like I do everything. I put in like a little bit at a time. I only got, this is mostly my plays, which I'm sure is mostly AMC, as far as like why that's up so much. Yeah, 1,500 in stocks. Where the hell? Positions, there we go. So this just shows you my little positions in Webull. This is a little account. I just wanted to be able to trade at 4 in the morning, so I put some money in here just so I could do it. But I do like to keep all my stuff on Ameritrade. I'm going to probably start an interactive broker account. I really like what I'm hearing about them, and I saw the platform is pretty cool. Let's see. So AMC obviously is riding the whole thing. Everything else is just that. BNGO has really let me down, but I believe in the company. I know they're coming back. I only got, this is like real small amounts. These were like, and obviously these are free. These are like the ones that came for free. And JIH, I don't even know what I was doing there. They're like some ridiculous company that does like self-storage or something. But they've been doing it. I'm probably going to get out of it at some point, but they haven't even merged. I just kind of want to see where this ends. I saw so much great news for it. And it is going up in like, you know, usually when everything's like, it's been up. It was up when everything was red too. So it's going to hold on to that. Amazon signs deal to buy legendary Hollywood studio MGM for $8.5 billion. Breaking news. Breaking news. Amazon signs deal to buy legendary Hollywood studio MGM for $8.4 million. All right. 8 minutes ago, Bitcoin is up 9.04% in the last 24 hours, now at 40,207. But is that where we're at right now? Now, so anyway, that was my 2 cents on that. Oh, AMC's on a different broker. Yeah, HCMC, I don't know, man. Think about it. I would, you know, if you can, you know, if it's in your budget, grab it. If not, then, you know, I don't know. You're just, if you don't grab them, they're letting you have the ability to grab them at these prices so that you're not diluted. So you're basically at the same price after your offering. If you don't grab those shares, then you'll be diluted by that amount of shares, because they are diluting to raise money. It's okay. Considering the deals, they just signed a few deals. I mean, we'll get into it if anybody wants to talk about it. I'm just kind of keeping my eye on the whole market as a whole, just to kind of get any. I kind of want to do some quick round trips today.
I don't want to do it on AMC. I might as well just get that off my Ameritrade. I actually want to make... Oh, is Best Buy... Oh, I'm sorry. Is BlackBerry up in the pre-market? Oh, what's going on, BlackBerry? Am I going to be able to get out of you? You freaking bastard. Oh, look at you. Oh, where's my cost basis on BlackBerry? I've been trying to get out of BlackBerry since the freaking first squeeze. Oh, God. And I've taken a loss on it. Like, I've been shaving off shares because I've just been... you got to be patient, man. You got to be patient because if I'm just patient, I don't lose money. But if I'm not, I lose money. So I shaved off a shitload of shares. I think I had like 600, 700 of these. I got 250 now. But I'm at 914 as my cost basis. That's not right, though, because I'm still... Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. I don't know. It says it's right, so I don't know somehow. But normally when I shave shares off at a lower price than what my cost basis is, I end up... it brings down my cost a little bit, but that's not real. So, like... So for example, I got 250 shares at 914 of BlackBerry. If I hit 914, I'm still not break even because I sold shares at a loss just to get some money back in case it turns south. It's not the best strategy, but when, you know, I was a little scared that my entire account was going to black out. I had no cash left. It was all in positions. And I had to shave off some stuff because everything was down. So I just had to do it. And I got about 13K out, and I felt safe having at least that for getting back into something else. So anyway, my point is when you're selling at a loss, your cost basis goes down on on Thinkorswim. It tells you, like, it's telling me 250 at 914. In reality, it's 250 at like 950. That's what'll break me even. And like, always look at your positions. Don't just look at your chart and be like, all right, I'm over my cost basis, I can sell. Look at your positions because I guarantee you once BlackBerry goes to 914, it's still going to say down, whatever, 100, 200, whatever it might be. So let me take a look at a few scanners real quick. Mo, if you want to go over anything, let me know. If anybody that's just coming to the screen, please like, subscribe if you get any value from this video. If you want me to talk about anything, just go ahead, leave it in the chat, whoever you are. Especially Mo, I'm down for whatever Mo wants. But if you want to look at anything, I'm going to go ahead and throw this back up real quick. I don't want to, I kind of want to take a break, but I don't want to leave the stream because I got, you know, a few people in here now, and I'm excited about that. And if you guys want to look at anything specific, if you want any type of... you know, TA, if you want any type of, you know, predictions, just let me know. I mean, we got everything we need. I got Motive Wave. I got Weeble up. I got Benzinga up. We got everything that's going on. This is bad. What's going on? I'm just going to reload this. I mean, we got everything. I got tip ranks. We could talk about bots if you want. I've been getting into bots. Motive Wave, actually, for trading. I might turn it on today. I kind of need to pay attention to it. And you gotta, it's not like 3 commas where you just go in and do a few things. Oh, I'm listening, brother. I got the headphone in my ear, hiding it from the boss. Nice. I appreciate it, my man. But yeah, like, come on, filters. You suck. Get off of here. All right. This isn't moving. And it's pissing me off. I have done everything I could do to get the best internet connection I can get. The only thing I could do is upgrade my computer, and I cannot do that until I am 10K over my... I actually... Since I made that, I'm 5K up, but that's still not net up. I'm gross up. So, like, I'm only down on Ameritrade 1,900. So, once I'm 1,100, 930 up, then I'm going to buy a new computer and a whole setup. Well, I'm going to start with the computer. I mean, I got screens out my ass right now. But I want to get a streaming computer and not just stream on my badass laptop and keep this laptop lasting a little while. I love it. It's an HP X360 i7-7500, 16 gigs of RAM. What I'm going to get is going to be a desktop because I want a goddamn NASA computer in here. I want a freaking 5090, not even a 3090.
I want it to run on multiple GPUs so that when it's not going, it could run just like my rig runs 24 hours a day. Yeah, so I don't even want to talk about it right now. Listen, if you want to talk about computer parts, let me know. We could talk about that too. But right now, this is not helping me at all. What time is it? It's 8:55. This is the pre-market. This is the pre-market. I don't know what is going on. Where's AMC and GameStop? You're telling me that all these are moving higher? That's a bunch of shit. That ain't true. So I don't know what is going on. I'm changing this to real time. I want it showing me in real time. I don't know what's going on, but apparently maybe this is up more. So let's look at Novan. Novan at $8. Let's go ahead to our stock section. Here it is. We'll throw it into positions because I've been throwing in everything in there. Do I want to... I'll separate them later when I'm not on stream. So that was Novan. What was the symbol again? I'll just put in Novan. Novan, stock, NASDAQ. NASDAQ's what we want. Okay. Let's take a look. Wait a second. What? Oh, this is... Yeah. So no way. This is definitely like a reverse split or something. So let's see. They must have split. Yeah, there. Oh, what am I saying? Here it is. 1 to 10. So 10 shares just became 1. So they were at 83 cents. Now they're at 803. So that's actually not bad that they haven't gotten wrecked on their 1 minute. I don't believe that that happened 5 minutes ago. Like I said, this has been... Is this showing the right time? It is kind of showing similar to the right time. It's on a 3 minute. So that's my... No, it's still not. See, this is just pissing me off. Like, give me my shit the way I want it. Alright, so we had our reverse split. Alright, so I'm not messing with that. I know reverse splits. Reverse splits are usually good for fades. Like, you want to look at a reverse split and then just kind of get it on the way down. I saw one a couple days ago. I think it was it OGNT? I don't know. One of those, Ontology. One of those joints went from like $1 to $11. It was like $7 by the end of the day. So if you were in it originally, like, I don't know, $1.10, let's just say, but it was less. It was like 70 cents. It went to 11. And then it went down to like 9. That means that you were down to like 50 cents, you know, as you like your original. So you got wrecked. Those are never good. Like almost never. Rarely they are, but almost never is a reverse split good. I mean, that's, you know, they're trying to gain compliance because they're falling under $1 or they need money. You know, make sure that company is sound. I don't know what the hell's... Let's take a look. Let's look. Why not? I don't see any questions in the chat, so let's look at this. What the fuck? Wait, what? This was what? Are we looking at NOVN? Is this NOVN? NOVN. What am I missing? I hate when things are different. Yeah, it's 803. This was 84 cents. Why is Benzinga? See, this is the shit that pisses me off. Benzinga's got this. Is this on a... Oh, it's on a 2-day. Okay. But shouldn't this be showing like 80 cents up to... This should be showing here to here. Like, why is this chart... When is this? 9 a.m.? Yeah, May 25th. 1410. Did that exist? That doesn't exist. All right. I don't know. When the numbers don't match, I just walk away. Let's just take a look at it real quick. Take a look, and I'm just gonna look at their... All right, so institutions 8%, insider 1%. So not a lot of people on the inside believe in it. That's never good. Although that could also happen, you know, be with pay scale. This is abysmal, but there's no dividend. Let's just see. So cash is 32 mil, assets are 46, liabilities are 46. So they're like, they don't have more cash than liabilities. I'm out. Listen, there's a lot to look at. I jump right to your cash. I look straight to your assets and your liabilities. If they're even, or if the liabilities are above the assets, I'm not in. That means they could get wrecked at any second. Like they owe as much as they have. I want you to owe 100th of what you have, so you could pay off what you have or what you owe and still be straight. All right, I'm not messing with that. I don't even want it on my watch list. I don't care. Scanner mover, God, I'll tell you, I love it to death. Oh, I gotta erase trade ideas. My thing is off. If you're going between Benzinga and trade ideas, try them both, please. I bought Benzinga before I bought trade ideas. Trade ideas is a little hectic for me, but honestly, I think it's a little better, and that's why it's more expensive. I really like Benzinga. It's got a lot of great stuff. I'm not upset that I paid for the year. I wish they had a lifetime license. I'm not upset that I paid for the year, but I don't think it's not as crazy in depth. Like, trade ideas is nuts. It is nuts. It's telling you everything across the entire market in like crazy amounts of information. I really liked it. I'm just overextended in the amount of resources I have. If I'm, become a multimillionaire, then yeah, I'll get trade ideas. All right, so look at this. We're watching a real-time dump on Bitcoin right now, but hopefully we get saved by this 50. They're starting to fight back, the longs. Here you can, this is why I love AGGR.trade. You're watching the fight in real time. Let's see. I just want to make sure the exchanges are on the bottom for you. All right, so you can see all the exchanges. Where am I? Over here. All right. Does anybody else want to look over anything? I got some people in here. Does anybody want to look over anything? I'm going to go back to my 4-banger. Let me get rid of this. I don't care about this stock. We might not do day trading right now, although now's kind of the time. And then we got market open in a half hour. Let me check my momentum indicator on Ameritrade. So, do me a favor and Mo. I know you're there. I know I can get at least it looks like I got one now. I don't know if that may be you. If you did, thank you. If not, please throw a like on me and on my what do you call it? 1850 close, $20 by the end of the week. I don't know if that dude knows what the hell he's talking about. I mean, those numbers aren't wrong, but I'm not going to say the name of the dude. But I don't know. Some people have followings on here, and it's crazy to me. All right, momentum isn't showing nothing on my momentum scanner. My morning scanner, the volume is like... AMC's got the highest volume of anybody. American Airlines right behind, and then Ashford Hospitality. No. Is that... What is it? Hold on. American Airlines... Ashford Hospitality Trust Inc. So that's AHT. They're the third on the morning scanner. American Airlines looks like it really didn't do much. It went up about 20 cents since the start. So they're second in volume, but the volume is 1,000,000 times. Oh my God. It's monstrous. So what do we got? 3 zeros, 807. So 14 million in volume pre-market right now. And it is going up by the thousands. Wow. Wow. Liked earlier. I see 2 likes. All right, cool. Thanks, brother. All right, let me get this Novan off of my screen. I don't care about it. Novan, you could go. I don't really care. I don't like your money situation. This is something I keep getting an email about from Wall Street Bets, but it hasn't done a damn thing. So I'm happy. I mean, maybe from here I should have got in, but now this is almost, let's see. Looks like a rising wedge, to tell you the truth, to come down. I don't know. I put it in there because they keep emailing me about it, but damn, look at AMC. That is beautiful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the 4 chart on. Where are we at? Let's get a 4 chart banger. Let's get rid of Spomf. Go ahead and throw AMC right there. GameStop's where it's got to be. Bitcoin's where it's at. And we'll leave SHIB. Oh, SHIB, baby. Look at SHIB. Taking another 0 off. Ugh, this one would be beautiful. This is my other lottery play. I got 2 lottery plays. 1 stock lottery play and 1 crypto lottery play. SHIB is my crypto lottery play and HCMC is my stock
lottery play. Want to know why? Go ahead and ask me in the chat. Don't want to say nothing? At least you're watching. I'll take it. I'll take it. So let me get this out of the way. So I'm leaving these up right now. This is just rolling. Oh, GameStop is rolling right now. Oh my God. This is a 1 hour. Let me go ahead. Just give you more breathing room. Look at these babies move. Oh, now it just broke the 200. Way above the 200 on the AMC. Way above over here. And where's our 200? We're under the 200 on our SHIB. We want SHIB to come up above that. All right, SHIB. Well, good luck with that. Bitcoin, this is where the market's going. You know what? I might want to switch this out right now to... I thought I'd get more SHIB people because I'm seeing channels straight up only talking about Shiba getting 30,000 subscribers. So I was hoping I'd get some more SHIB people since I am part of the SHIB army and own 67 million strong. Wait, is that how many I got? Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Text me every day. Demand for Spomp's craft spirits through the roof. And I don't know. They're pushing Spomf, S-P-O-N-F. This Wall Street alerts. Go for it if you want. If you want to talk about it, leave it in the description. I'm sorry, in the chat, and we'll go over it. But if not, whatever. Let me take a look at my bot real quick and just see where she's at. Let me look at the deals. All right, so it's a little low in some deals right now, but it looks like all morning it was. Oh, but the last deal closed about a half hour ago. I need deals closing every minute. It's not doing too bad. I got a good amount of cash on there. And I have only... Oh, it looks like I upped my amount of bots. So I got VET, BTC, Doge USD, Matic USD, ADA, USDT, 1 and 2. And the 1 means that... So the way that I do my bots is that I'll do like ADA/USDT, and then I'll put a 1 or a 2, which means I'm getting paid out in the first one or the second one. So... ADA USDT 1 is getting paid out in ADA, and ADA USDT 2 is getting paid out in USDT 2. So when I get some ADA and lose some USDT, there's a corresponding trade that gets me that USDT back. So I'm continuously moving as I collect my ADA. That's just how I do it. Want to talk about it? Ask me about it. 3 Commas actually is holding some sort of contest right now, tutorial contest. Let me see. Is this even... I think I could throw this up. Yeah, let's throw this up. So 3 Commas right now, let's put it wherever, is doing a tutorial contest. So I'm thinking about it. I mean, not that I'm a super master. Oh, let's see. Tutorial. 3,000 in a year of da-da-da-da-da. It's not even going to give you... Wait, is Pro the best one? I don't think so. I think I have Pro. I think Pro's the one right before. All right, so ends in 12 days. 10,000. What are the rules? Let's take a look at the rules. Not actually every nook and cranny. I don't really know much about anything but your DCA bots, to tell you the truth. Do you have fluency that you feel others would have value in learning? Yeah. Create a new unique video content that includes a brief description, connect and exchange, major 3 Commas tools. This and this I know how to use. I haven't really messed with this, although I'm sure it's a very simple premise. You just set different buys and sells in a grid. The purpose and brief description, advantages and disadvantages, promos offered, free plan, 3 days. 30 days of pro if you create and connect and exchange an account. Wait a second, I didn't get 30 days of free. Huh, I didn't know they had that. Level up. Okay. Wow. Maybe I'll get in there. There's a couple dudes that are real masters at this that I don't want to waste my time if they're gonna wreck it. But it's possible. Maybe I'll join that. So that's that. So that's 3 Commas right here. You can see we're going up. It's looking good. Just to give you a little quick history of how it's performing this morning. I have very few bots on, just because I wasn't sure. Like until we break 43, this can go down at any time. Just hold on to your ass just in case. So you can see I got vet is vet with BTC2, so that's getting BTC. ADA USD2. This is why I put on a corresponding bot, because you lose a little bit, but you gain. You gain more than you lose. And then I have the other side of it. So this actually, wait a second. So this should be getting paid in ADA, and this should be getting paid in USDT. So, all right. So something's wrong here. ADA. So this one paid out in the USDT like it's supposed to, and this one didn't. Not sure how that happened. But you could see, 16 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes. These are quick trades. 6 hours. That wasn't quick. I must have turned that on at I don't even know. Last night. But Manic USD. So now this should be, this should be paying out in just, something's wrong. Because these are set right. I know they're set right. Because this one you could see got paid out in USDT. And then this is a USDT2. So this should be getting paid out in USDT. But it's acting like a USD. It's acting like a 1. Like that's what a 1 would look like. I don't know. It's not a big deal. They're all still, just look. It just goes and goes. You want to get bots on your side, I'll tell you. You want as many things working for you automatically as possible. Yeah, you gotta watch them, and then people are like, oh, well, why do I have to watch them? I'm like, all right, well, do it on your own. You gotta watch that 24/7. Dumbass. Anyway, we have been streaming for an hour and a half. Oh my god, and it's 9:12. We got market open in 18 minutes. I'm gonna take a real quick break. Let me make sure you're on a good screen while I'm breaking. We're gonna leave it right here. So you got AMC right here. You're watching it real time. You got GameStop. You got Bitcoin, and you got SHIB. I'm just gonna leave it on there for now. But let's. You know what? Don't want to leave anything else up. Oh, looks like we just took a dump. Bitcoin taking a dump below 40. All right, so you know what? Let's make 2 side-by-sides. And this... So here you can see AMC. I'm going to actually... This should have moved with it. That's a kind of a pain in the ass. Alright, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so you can see over here on the right, you can see the real-time significant trade for Bitcoin. And then here... Do I need Bitcoin here if it's over here? Let's see. Is there anything else? HCMC isn't trading yet. Nobody cares about anything else. Let's throw Doge on there. Everybody cares about Doge. So we'll throw Doge on there. So now we got AMC, GameStop, Doge, and SHIB. So that should be the bulk of the people that are coming to the video right now. And then we got Bitcoin, significant trades right here. Bitcoin taking a dump right now, but it looks like they're fighting back hard. Longs, shorts. Longs, shorts. More longs than shorts, up. More shorts than longs, down. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Do we have a fade coming? I actually kind of want to go back to Bitcoin. SHIB taking a little bit of a whatever. Let me go to Bitcoin real quick before I take this break. Oh, you know what? Let's just leave that the way it sits. And since this is my crypto bot, okay, we'll just go to whatever. Is this Bitstamp? Let's go to Bitstamp. So, come here. Come on. Come on. And I also want to pull up Motive Wave. Oh, I don't have Bitcoin on this right now, and I don't want to attach it. Okay, that's fine. It's only got stocks on it right now. I have my other one set up, but. All right, so Bitcoin is fading on the 15-minute. Let's look at the larger picture. God. Oh, there you go. That's great. Okay. We're in a good position. We just broke VWAP. Shit. All right, we just broke VWAP. We need to see a bounce back and quick. We need to see a bounce back and quick. We don't want to see this just dive. That's going to be a huge problem for us. Okay. But that's okay. This is why I only got like 4 or 5 simple bots on, just in case. Just because I knew we might dump. I kind of expected it last night, and then I got greedy and just wanted to throw some bots on. So, let's see. So that's what's happening right there. So here's Bitcoin right here. AMC, GameStop, SHIB, and Doge. Keep your eyes on them. I wish I can get rid of this. Why is this? Oh, it's because of so much size. Can I move that? No, I can't. Okay, well, I'm going to take a break real quick. The market's open in about 13 minutes, so I got to hurry up. I'll be back momentarily. And I'm going to go to here and throw my Be Right Back. Where are you, biatch? Be right back. And I'll be right back.
All right, we are back. We are 1 minute to open right now, and we are going to see what happens as we come to the open. Let me just go ahead and back out of here real quick. And if I just jump to here, mic is still working, so that's good. All right. All right, we're good. So we are about to open any second, and let me just go ahead and pull up my account. Looks like 8 seconds to open. 8 seconds to open right now. And we're about to see what's going to happen to our positions. And any second. Let's go ahead. And we are open. I didn't hear a bell. But we are open right now. AMC. We're going to jump to the 1 minute. And watch the real live action. AMC is getting a sell signal on it right now. We're going to go ahead and just put this back. Where am I? Put it right there. Let's go back to our 4 charts. All right, so AMC fading at the open. We broke 1818 and then we were fading down. It's all right. We knew we'd have a quick sell-off at the open when we're that high. And this is what I was talking about. This is what I knew would happen. They are starting to short during market hours. We are down to 1754, but we are holding strong. Let's take a look. Let me pull up my... Nope, don't want to remove that. Okay, share the details. All right, huge dump down to 1740 on AMC. RSI completely jumped down. Our on-balance volume went from 300 million to less than 230. But we are seeing an immediate buyback. Let's go to a little bit lighter. No. I almost want to see this real time. Oh, look at this. I like the 1 second. It's fun. Doesn't usually work on all of them. Alright, so Doge making a comeback. Let's go ahead and change that back to Bitcoin. Let's go to CryptoBot. Bitcoin should be right there. And back to positions, because this is technically my stock area. This is where I'm going to look at my crypto as a whole. Looks like Bitcoin faded with the market. Right about there. And we're on a 15 minute there. Let's go ahead and move that to a 1 minute so we can see what's going on. All right, Tesla hitting a new low at 605.01. Tesla hitting a new low at 605.01. If anybody's here in the chat, please say what's up. We are rocking and rolling. AMC shook that off like it didn't even freaking happen. Let me go to AMC and let me... Oof. Good damn. AMC doesn't give a fuck. Selling off a little bit again real quick, but I think we're going for that 18. They want that 18 and they want to keep it. They want that 18 and they want to keep it. Oh, 1798 on Webull. I'm sorry, on Ameritrade right now. Damn, they bought that dip up quicker than a Bitcoin dip. God damn. Oh, and we're about to break the high. We just broke the high. A little bit of a sell-off. Now we're fighting right now. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. AMC, holy Jesus. 1830. 1827. Right in the top of the Keltner channel. Ooh, I love the 1 second. The 1 second is fun to watch. Look at that. I might switch Motive Wave to that. Let's go to Motive Wave real quick. Nope, wrong one. Let's go to Motive Wave. Let me get this out of the damn way. All right, everything's looking good. Motive Wave, just like it was calling before. Let's go ahead and update our Elliott Wave. It blasted past the big 2. All right, so it's going higher. Let's see if it readjusts itself. Nope, readjusting. Let me go ahead and wait. All right, so this is all of them. So I should be seeing everything right here. All right, so AMC is just blasting right now. They're fighting for it. They're fighting for it. Do we see any targets? Do we have any targets on our Elliott Wave? It looks like it's trying to calculate a new target. Elliott Wave is trying to calculate a new target. Maybe if we pull out the decompose all. Nope. It doesn't have a clear direction yet. Once it finds a clear direction, new high for GameStop, 238.85. New high for GameStop, 239.03, 239.24. Apply, okay. GameStop. Ooh. Did GameStop just come down some? Oh, where's GameStop? 234. So we're at 234 right now. Just pull this out a little bit so you can see. Oh, I want to see those bids. Nope, can't do it. Why can't I get this larger? Is there any way? I want to see these bids. Why can't I get this bid wider? What is this? Let's see. Order ticket window. Hey, buddy. Market makers bid and ask. Fixed max size. I'm gonna cancel that out. New high for GameStop, 242.49. 242.49 right now. GameStop is just running. Elliott Wave has a it's different on this one. Decompose all, apply, update. So this is calling for 243.56 by 10:15 on Elliott Wave. Super trend buy. So it looks like everything's running. Where are we at? Ooh, BlackBerry at in the 9s. BlackBerry in the 9s. So let's pull this out. BlackBerry at 906 right now, going parabolic. Beautiful. If you're in BlackBerry like I am, you're feeling good right now. I need this to go up to about 10 or 11. And maybe it'll ride, maybe it'll ride the rest of the Wall Street Bets wave. I don't know. But that is parabolic. 871 to 907. This is in seconds. So this is 1 second. That's what I'm talking about. All right. I might be exiting BlackBerry today. It's just another position that I don't really have long-term conviction on. Want to get out of that. Want to keep my AMC. Want to keep my GameStop. Want to keep my HCMC. Everything else can pretty much go. Everything else can go. And I'd really like to be in profit with just those plays sitting. We're doing pretty good. So I'm hearing ding after ding after ding. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin fading down to the 39s. This is not what we wanted to see. We want to see. Let's go ahead and pull Bitcoin up. So maybe I want to go to a little crazier of a chart. What's this got for me? Oh, this looks like less. Oh, just got this is a 1 minute. The 1 second is really interesting. The 1 second is really interesting. I like how quick. Let's go back to. Oh wait, this is video chart 3. Oh, what is this? This is interesting. Back testing RSI with pattern strategy. Oh, that's cool. All right, here's our TTM squeeze right here, coming back on the fade. And now our MACD's coming up, but it looks like it's about to turn. Short. Let me go to my... Yes, I have a trades. Yeah, I know, you see it. I follow them too. Let's see, right here. That's what I want. Did I save it with... Oh, thank God I saved it. Alright, that's good. Everything's looking good. Coming back, getting a buy signal. This is a 1 second, so your signals aren't really going to tell you a lot, but it is showing you real time. We had a fade down to 39.25, and it looks like we're bouncing from there. Let's take a look at Benzinga real quick and see what's moving. Let me switch out my filters to regular session. Now that we're in the regular session. Alright, applied filters out. Gainers and losers over the 5 minute the pre-market, change that to a regular, and we've increased our price to include all stocks. We were looking for some pennies this morning, but we're just gonna go ahead and keep an eye on the movers while this is happening. Let me go back to applied filters, get that out of the way. Alright, so this Novan is still going. This one that I saw this morning that did a reverse split, but I'm staying away from it. This looks like it's going to take a few minutes to populate. Let me go ahead and turn on the squawk box just in case there's some news that we want to hear. Alright, so we'll be able to hear him. I'll bang it back a little bit. Alright, so is that connecting? What's going on? Alright. BlackBerry. Oh, BlackBerry has hit 925 right now. BlackBerry at 925 right now. So this is what I was talking about before. So my cost basis says 914. BlackBerry is at 924. I'm still 331 down. So that just kind of shows you what shaving off will do to you. So I'm going to keep this going. I do like that it's below my cost basis. I don't know if I sell right now with this being... Looks like it's fading a little bit. But here's Benzinga. This is what's going on. The watch list. I'm going to get rid of the watch list. Let's get out of here. And I'm going to throw my signals up. And we're going to look for all of them. Halts, resumes. Highs, lows. We don't want to do session because then we'll just see session. And we're going to do our day and 52 week. You know what? Let's throw session, let it go crazy. But we're going to just see session high, session low, session low. We'll see what happens. All right, so 52 week high, JYNT, Tesla option activity. So a lot of call sweeps coming in on Tesla. So it looks like people are believing Tesla's going up. Here's our gainers over the regular session. Gainers and losers over the last 5 minutes of the regular session. Oh, I never seen that. So this is moving. All right. Here's our refresh in real time. Here's our gainers. Let's take our filters off because I think that is... Let's see. What filters do I have? Subtypes. Da-da-da-da-da. Where's my filters? Oh, just common stock, ETF. All sectors, volume 10K. No prices here. So I guess I didn't... Oh, I did do a price. Let me get that price out. We'll just leave that to infinity and okay. So that ought to change that real quick. We took that out. Are there any other filters I'm not seeing? All exchanges, all types. We got one volume filter. I don't see the third one. It's an ADR. Oh, okay. Common ETFs. Okay. Okay. All types. All right, so let's leave that up for now. So that's showing you all the gainers over the session. Bitcoin coming back. Oh, you know what? I got a missing screen I forgot about. We'll get that moving. Okay, so Bitcoin making a comeback right now. Let's go back to our BlackBerry, just faded back to 913. And let's go to AMC. AMC is holding above 18 right now, and it is just moving. Moving. Let me get do these sell? Yeah, you know what? They do hold. They do hold on a 1 second chart. They just move so quick that they don't give you a lot of chance to react. So we did get a sell signal at 18.19, and now we're fading down, hopefully to the 50, and then we should bounce around where the 50 and the VWAP are converging. And that's exactly what happened. Hopefully we don't come down to retest the 50 and the VWAP. And we want to go ahead and beat the top Keltner channel, hit the 50, and then break through the sell line. Way over our point of control right now, so we are in a bearish uptrend. The bulls are in control, as indicated right here. Well, I'm loving this 1 second. I'm going to keep this going, I think, from now on. This is interesting. It's not good for analysis, but it's great for live trade action. Let's go ahead and go to our 4 chart real quick. So this is our AMC, our GameStop. GameStop looks like it's consolidating in the 230s, the mid 230s. Back this out of the way. Fading down to 1714, but VWAP is holding strong. We want VWAP to hold on AMC. Bitcoin fading down to 39.2, and SHIB SHIB's falling a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out with Doge. Anybody wants to talk about SHIB, just go ahead and leave that in the comments for right now. Just move this up so I can see it real time. Okay. All right. So, what's my account doing? My account is looking beautiful. All right. Everything is up right now except for 2 of my plays. Has the HCMC direct offering came through? It hasn't come through yet. What are they doing? It's Wednesday already, is it not? It is Wednesday. I've had that on my account since Friday. I'd really like to get that buy out of my way so I can move on. All right, so we're looking at our mains right now. Let's see. Stream health seems to be improving. Let's take a look at Motive Wave real quick. And there's GameStop. Where are we calling for in the 2 minute? So still calling for 247, a raise to 247. I really want to open this bid up. How do I get it bigger? Bid ask. Bid price right. Fixed max size. The list below contains the available exit strategies. Alright, I don't need that. I want this bid to be bigger. Maybe if I... No, nothing happens there. 5 20. I need to get rid of this extra row. Value, market maker, bid. What am I missing? Bid ask, bid ask, bid ask. See what happens when I do that. No. Apply that back.
All right, well, I mean, we could still see what it is. We know that's a 2 in there. Maybe if I move size a little bit. Can't move any of these. All right, that's fine. All right, so back to what I was saying. New high for Palantir at 21.98. Palantir at 21.98. We are calling for GameStop to come in at 243.56 by somewhere between 10:30 and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. It's 9:49 right now. Let's go ahead and head back to AMC. AMC Elliott Wave. Let me go ahead and reapply. Elliott Wave is calling for a 3-wave up to 1877. It looks like it's fighting the 200 EMA right now. Let's get some more trend lines in here. Update. Alright, so looks like we got some hope. Calling for 1878 on the 1 minute. Let's see on the 2 minute. 2 minute is calling for high 18s as well in multiple areas. I don't see a comeback or a fade on this 2 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Same thing. Calling for 1880. We might be able to break 19 today. This is very parabolic. We will have some sort of a fade. Looks like we're fading actually right now. And hopefully we can stay over our 200 EMA. Let me go back to a 1 minute. Still calling for 1881 prior to 10 o'clock. So that's 9 minutes. Let's see if that can come to fruition. And BlackBerry, let me take a look at. BlackBerry is at 9:30 right now. It's just looking pretty. We just want to see this keep going. We want BlackBerry to go ahead and ride with GameStop and with AMC all the way up. AMC back down to 771. Let's go ahead and auto Elliott Wave this. Let's decompose all, update. So it doesn't have a clear direction yet. So it'll show me when it has a clear direction of which way it thinks it's going to go, but it doesn't know where this 5 is going to go. Update, nothing yet. So we're looking for our 3 and we're looking for our 5. So we got an A, B, C right there, and then 5 ended. 2 waves started, so we're looking for a 3 and we're looking for a 5. Should be somewhere around there. If Elliott Wave holds true, should be somewhere around this 950 region. We're seeing a fade on BlackBerry right now. Let's go to GameStop. Keep that on the 1 minute. And it doesn't have a clear direction on the 1 minute just yet. It just hit its 4 wave and the 3 subwave. Where's our larger wave? Here's our A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. We hit C. And we should be going up from the... Where are we? Where's my big 1? So 1, 2, there's my 3, 4, and 5. We should have a big 5 somewhere. Not a Roman numeral 5, but an actual regular 5. I don't see it. So this might have been invalidated. Big B, big B, big C, big A, B, C. So we should, and this is 2, 3, 4, so we should be seeing a 5 wave up, and it looks like it's happening right now. All right. Let's see. So BlackBerry, everything just blasting right now. AACG actually going down. If you're an AACG, it's at between 274 and 280.
ADMP at 66 cents. Not the worst. I'm still under there. Oh, my call options for January 2022 are actually in the money right now. Look at that. They have not been in the money since I bought them. I only have one call option for $40 strike price, January 21st, 2022. I think I'm going to hold on to that a little bit longer. It's only $76 up. If it was like 10,000 up, I'd sell. I would have to sell it, but we're going to go ahead and leave that right there. AMC back at 1813 right now. I'm getting a notification that says it's at 1786, but it is at 1809 actually. Now up to 1812. It's moving so quick. AMC. Looks like it just broke resistance. And now this is support, this trend line support. So we should see a bounce off this trend line support up to the 3 at 1865. Let's go ahead and bang back. The 1 second is so quick. This should actually be rolling with the chart. Let's see. All right, we're right there. Right here, just like this. It should be rolling with this. Doge dropping down. Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin fading into the 38s, but now making a jump back into 39. So a little bit of a fade on Bitcoin. We want to see that hold over the 39 region at least today. We are doing well. Triteris up to 655. SFTW at 993 hasn't moved. POAI at 104. Shift Pixie at 245. HCMC at 1450. I'd love to see that. Like to see 25% off of that for my 500,000 shares that I'm privy to, but I'd like to buy already. BlackBerry at 934, 935. Let's see if we can keep moving with them. BlackBerry would be a great play for me to get out and profit. Shaving off has put me down, like I had said. And what I was explaining before about how my cost basis is 914. My bot is filling safety orders left and right. So my cost base is at 914, but like I said, I've been shaving off shares at a loss, so it's actually much higher than that. I wish it would reflect that on Ameritrade, but it doesn't. So we're at 932, way above my 914 cost basis price, and I am still in the negative, $315. So we will see where that can go. I think I need to be around the $10 range to break out of this. Okay, getting alerts on Bitcoin. It is biting around the $39,000 range, and it needs to get out of this small area. Needs to fight these Keltners. Needs to break over the Keltner, the 50. We're over the 21 day right now. Yeah, we're over the 21 day right now. And we want to break that 21. We want to break the top of the Keltner. And we want to break this 50 and this 200. We want to get back and stay above there. That's how we know that we're back in the uptrend. Where's my VPVR? Should be somewhere in here. Let's go ahead and put everybody on my VPVR. That's my problem, is that I have to do it individually. And we'll go ahead. Ooh, look at AMC. AMC with a monstrous jump, like I had said. Look at that. Look at, this is why I bought MotiveWave. 1883, it went to it on the penny. Let's see where it goes now. Let's throw this up to a 5-minute. It's seeing more room to go up. Now there will be a pullback. Prepare for it. But we are going parabolic still. We are going parabolic still. 1881 and rising. Look at this bar. This is exactly where it was before, and this bar brought it right up to see it. That's the power of Elliott Wave, and that's why MotiveWave is an amazing service. So AMC holding in the high 18s, probably going to be a fade on the 1 second. I'm going to move some of these extra indicators out of the way just because we got 4 charts up. Doge making a comeback, literally the exact same chart as Bitcoin and most other altcoins. That's the one thing about cryptocurrency, is that 9 times out of 10, or 99 out of 100 times out of 10, I'm sorry, 99 out of 100 times, you're going to see the exact same chart. Gamestop going parabolic still, 235 right now. Everything's moving. And it looks like AMC is breaking a very important what do you call it? Hold on one second. Let me take a closer look at this. Yeah, AMC just got rejected from a resistance level and is now falling. Resistance was at the point of control at about 1882. I have it as 1884 on Ameritrade, and we faded back from it. So this might be a channel move right now. Let me go ahead and get my drawing tools. So this channel that we're in currently, we just broke, is between 1843 and 1886. But I don't think this is stopping. 10 o'clock even right now, Eastern Standard Time. Call options just... Oh, my June 18th call options just went into the money. This is beautiful. Oh, are we about to be in the money? If we hit 19, my call options are in the money. Beautiful. If we keep going, I may want to exercise these and not even sell them. It's possible. I have 5 call options for a possible extra 500 AMC shares between the prices of 19 and 40. They are a little bit heavy on their, oh, look at this. We're about to come in the money. 1886. If we could break 19, we are going to be looking pretty. All right, Bitcoin. Still under 39. All right. Okay, so let's see. Everything is moving pretty hefty right now. AMC 1883 and holding. I want this to move with the charts. This chart's moving. Alright, they're all moving. Alright, great. So it looks like they just get a little bit trying to get all that information at once. Doge making a huge comeback. But basically following the same line, a little bit steeper than Bitcoin. Bitcoin back over 39,000. AMC down to 1868. All right. GameStop at 232, seeing a bit of a fade after a sell signal at 235. Doge coming up to 346. Let's take a look at SHIB real quick. SHIB, where are you? And you know, it looks like the total market cap first. Total market cap for crypto is looking nice. It's looking healthy. We want to break that 1.72 mark. That's what I've been saying. And we want to break VWAP. Yep, so we want to break 1.7.
We want to break 1.7. All right. So just taking a look at SHIB real quick on top of it. It's probably the same chart as every other crypto chart, and yes, it is. It's actually even doing a little bit better. I have to be honest, SHIB's been outpacing the crypto market. When the entire crypto market was down 10-20%, SHIB was down like 2%. I can't believe the resiliency of this meme coin. I think the SHIB army is going to make it in the end. So let me just go back. Let me get back on Bitcoin and then jump over to my 4 charts. Bitcoin USD on Bitstamp. There we go. All right. And honestly, these signals, I mean, they are accurate. They're kind of noisy for having a 1-second chart. The 1-second chart's really just to keep on the action. New high for AMC at 1910. New high for AMC at 1910. 2 call options in the money right now. I'm going to hold on to these. They're only about $92 up. Is that per? No, that's together. All of my call options are in the money right now. My January 21st, 2022 for $40 is up. My January 21st, January 18th, 2021, 2 call options for 40. That is up as well. Everything is up when it comes to AMC. AMC needs to hold over 19 and keep going. We might have our short attack today. We did see 5 million shares borrowed yesterday for prep to use as short attacks today. We're pretty positive that's the reasoning behind it, but we will see. We're under 39 right now on Bitcoin. Point of control is at 38,939. Let me get back on my 4. Okay. So here's our 4 charts. Here's our AMC. Here's our Gamestop. Here's our Doge. And here's our Bitcoin. All right, so we're rocking and rolling. We are cooking it. The market is doing absolutely great right now. Wow, I'm at a position that I haven't been in a long time, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a break for right now. We're still holding and waiting to see if those HCMC shares for the direct offering come through so we can buy them. I have a 500,000 shares just sitting there waiting to be bought with no market price, waiting for that to come in the money. AMC back down to 1896, but it looks like we are breaking this 19 today, 20, hopefully by today or tomorrow. I'm thinking today, considering the momentum. Considering the momentum, we are sitting above our 1886 support. We are bouncing off of it. This support was drawn back during the first squeeze. So this is all legacy. And legacy support tends to be followed. We're about to break through the Keltner channel again on the AMC. Almost through the entire Keltner up, but then coming back down. So we're going to see a fight here for a little while. There's a whole lot more action to go on today. It's only 10:07 EST right now. We've been streaming for 2 hours and 25 minutes straight. I'm going to go ahead and take a break real quick. If you got any questions, please leave them in the chat. If you're here and you have anything that you want us to look over, any DD that you want us to do, any cryptocurrency, any stock, I'm not going to tell you that I'm just focusing on one thing. We'll go over anything that you want. Go ahead and leave that in the chat, and I will be back momentarily. I hope that everybody out there is making money. Mo, I hope you're doing good at work. Thanks for listening in every time I stream. You are the man. And I'm going to go ahead and go on a break for a few minutes right now. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Thank you so much for coming. And go ahead and leave your comments in the chat. We'll answer them as soon as I come back. Thank you.
Okay, everybody, I am back, and we are rocking and rolling right now. Just give me a few minutes, or a few seconds actually, to get these things in check. And check my stream quality. Alright, it's not too bad. So, right now, we are still looking at AMC. AMC is having a little bit of a sell-off, but it's real small, down to the 1860s. Actually, it looks like we bounced off VWAP about 4 minutes ago. These are on a 1 second chart, so these are just going to be blasting. We like the 1 second for the dramatic effect. Not really great to tell you directions, but great for dramatic effect. So, Gamestop making another high at the 240s. Let me just reset my phone. Come on, baby. All right. Let's put that out and press play. All right. So, Bitcoin still holding in the 39 range. Doge still holding in the 34 range. GameStop still running up. AMC still holding its high 18s. GameStop still holding the low 240s. Let's see. Is there anything else we want to look at? Let me get the speaker out the way. All right. So, get that screen moved. So this is still... I don't know what's going on, why this isn't moving. Auto refresh. And gainers, applied filters. I mean, is this really what's happening? Ooh, Novan has made a huge jump. Surprising after a reverse split. Let's see, OGEN. Let's take a look at Webull and see what kind of movers we got going on right now. All right, so a little bit of a fade on the markets. Looks like they're turning a little bit. They reached their peaks, and a tiny bit of a fade. Starting to see some red. Let me bring this down. How do I bring this down? Oh, I think I locked it. Lock layouts. And I'm going to move this down. I want to see these lists. And let's put that about, no, right about there. That should be good. Okay, so we're looking at the top gainers right now on the 1 day. 52-week highs, new highs. And we're looking at any calendar earnings right now. I'll tell you, Webull just has... You would think that you pay for a whole extra service because of how much resources you get with them. It's absolutely crazy. Let me just go ahead and turn down my mic a little bit. All right, so we're looking for something to maybe get in and out of while all this craziness is happening. Let me go ahead and take a look. Looks like we're still doing really, really well on what we already have. Let's see. BlackBerry's fading back. I'd like to get out of BlackBerry. Looks like I'm going to need about 10 to get out of BlackBerry at break even. But I'd like to get out of it. I don't really want to follow it. I'm just going to stick with GameStop and AMC as my meme plays. And then HCMC is going to be my lottery play. Direct offerings should be coming through any day now. Should be today, I was hoping. And it still possibly could come through. Let me pull up. Yeah, so we're doing still really well. My call options are all up. AMC is so far up, I can't even mention the number. It's crazy. AACG is coming up. ADMP. I'm up over my cost basis, but still down because I shaved some shares. Pixie isn't moving at 245. POAI isn't moving at 105. SFTW isn't moving at 993, but Triteris is moving at 653. I do have a cost basis of 677, but I shaved off so many of these shares that, let's take a look for all transparency. I'm still 113 down, even though it says 54 according to my cost basis. So if my cost basis is 677, in reality, I'm probably going to want to be at about 715 to get out of there, break even. And that's what I'm looking to do, is just to get out of some of these plays and to hold on to my 3 conviction plays and then move on from there. So that's the goal right now. I want to see, let me pull up. Here's my tip ranks. Here's my bot doing its deals. Let me get a chart in front of me instead of to the left. And let me get another chart. All right, so what do we want to do here? What do we want to do? It looks like ASXC might be a choice. Let me go ahead and get my positions up over here and pull up Webull on my phone. It's a lot easier to go through. Oh, it looks like they're going parabolic right now. Sell side imbalance. It says there's no crossing, but way more sales than buys. Mid-morning market update. Dick's Sporting Goods beats Q1 estimates. Okay. A lot of price predictions coming through.
All right, so let's take a look at ASXS. XC is what I meant. All right, so they're blasting off right now. So let's see if maybe we can make. Looks like they started going at 2 and they're at 294 right now. Let me see if I could do a quick little scalp on this, maybe for a few bucks. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm just setting up my Ameritrade or my Thinkorswim. It's a little bit harder to deal with than a lot of other charting platforms, to tell you the truth. So that's where we're looking right now. It looks like it just dropped below the 21. Okay, so I'm going to change this back to a singular chart on front of me. And we're just going to back off of this and keep these up here for you. All right, so here's AMC, GameStop, Bitcoin, and Doge. It looks like they're all doing decently well. All right, so, and new high for Tesla at 619.20, 619.44, and just keeps going. I'm going to bring up Motive Wave, and we're going to take a look. Let me get this a little bit smaller. All right. Live streaming. All right, so let's pick something. Maybe we want to get out of a chart that's already set up. All right, let's get out of Cala. We don't need that up. ASXC. And it is moving. So let's go ahead and get that up for a first strategy setup. Let's get our overlays on there of our auto trend lines. It's already in the original, but I want to be able to change it as I go and update it not automatically, but manually. Looks like we just got a new alert for ADMP. ADMP, I got an alert. Looks like it came back up to close to the day's highs. We hit 70 cents today, and we're now at 68.5. Well above my cost basis, but like I said, because I had sold at a loss, I'm gonna need a little bit more on that. AXSC just took a dump. Might be a good place to get in. Let me decompose all, apply. This shows me all the little parts of the Elliott wave. And all right, so let me get my active trader up on the right. looks like I must have had it on Tesla because it's only set for one chair. All right, now back that up to 100.
So let's see where we're going. We don't like how this has been riding. Where's our moving averages? We don't have any moving averages right now because I guess we want to set up a strategy. Let's go ahead and put in the MA cross strategy and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is if we want to automate. Is this a hard to borrow? This is hard to borrow. I don't know how people short anything because I see hard to borrow on everything. Let's go ahead and change this to just a simple long. Okay, apply that, update. So, and let me see, what am I on, a 15 and a 21? Oh, a 9 and a 15. Okay, update that. Let me see how it's going. So it would have bought right there. It wouldn't have sold yet. Alright, so we might want to turn this on. I might want to mess with a few settings. This will find us a nice entry. Let's just keep this going. I don't even know if I definitely want to activate this just yet. Looks like it's heading to VWAP.
And it's fighting with the 50 right now, and it just broke under the 50.
So I still have this in, let me make sure that I don't have anything crazy. 5 and 10, okay. And I think my original is just a single. So it's going to be trade lots of 1. Okay, this is still because I don't trust the bot, and I'm testing it out right now. All right, so it looks like we might want to enter somewhat soon if we bounce off this VWAP. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to enter on activate, apply, and update. All right, so once I press activate, we're going to enter a position, a small one.
Are we bouncing up?
Now we don't want to go the wrong way on this. Let's see. I'm going to auto Elliott wave this again. All right, it just pulled back lower. So it's saying that we might see this before we see this. Update.
And let's see. It's fighting to hold above 270.
On ASXC, I'm not doing any due diligence on this. This is pure price action. We just broke our major moving averages that we were riding up since 220. This might fade all the way back to that, or it might come back from this 2 right here. New high for AMC at 1925. Oh my God. New high for AMC at 1925. Let's take a look. Wow. We are jamming. We are jamming on AMC. It is 11:22 a.m. All right, so we're still at 272, 271. This is fighting. We don't want this to break under the VWAP, or else we are going to be in a losing trade. Let's see. Not a lot of strength. Let me go ahead and pull this in front of me. And I'm going to go to the positions. Well, I want to keep this up there, so let's go ahead and duplicate. All right. Duplicating right now. This is fighting. Look at the volume. Pick me up at 4. All right, so ASXC, census, leads healthcare gainers, mid-market, so they must have got an upgrade. AMC 1947 and rising. Did AMXC get a downgrade? I don't see it in the list. Initiations. Maybe it's part of that. ASXC, where are you? So ASXC with a buy rating and is set for 4 o'clock. I'm sorry, a $4 price target. Okay, so that's what's going on with that. We're going to go ahead and switch this to a single. We're going to go to positions. Positions. And we're going to go to this watch list. Okay. Positions. And we're going to add ASXC. ASXC. Let's add that up. Exit out. Ooh, a hell of a fade right now. Coming down to VWAP like I was saying. It is on the 1 second. Let's go ahead and keep our eyes on the prize in front of us. Now, I do see a larger B wave going down to the 240, so I'm not sure if this is 100% the play I want to be in right now. I was hoping to make a play off of VWAP, which we are at right now on the 1 minute. It looks like it could possibly break. It looks like it's falling down to break, but it might also be in a falling wedge, which would be bullish. Although I'm seeing some red sell signals. I'm going to up this to 1 minute. All right. So we might hold at VWAP on the 1 minute. If we break through, I'm going to walk away from this and not even try. It's very important that we stay above VWAP on this. It is fighting in the 266 range. It's fighting to hold up. Let me go ahead and pull up another chart on my phone. Okay. KTRA, what's that? Let me see what that is. I'm seeing a lot of messages come out for that one. This is an interesting one. And we just broke VWAP on that. I'm going to go to KTRA and see what's going on with that one. Oops. KTRA, enter. All right, so let's go ahead and put this into the chart scenario. And we'll add our overlay studies trend lines. And Elliott wave. Decompose, add, and we'll get our strategy out. Recent MA cross. This is going to say activate, I believe, and we don't want to do that yet. Okay, great. So we'll create that. All right. Oh, it just jumped up. Look at that. Just like that, it jumped up right before we started. Where is it calling for? Record volume and maintaining uptrend on KTRA. All right, let's maybe do this. RA. We might want to do this manually. Still testing out this bot function on Motive Wave. And I'm going to go over to KTRA over here. KTRA. Katara. All right, so Katara just got rejected at the 50, so it's banging between the 50 and the 15. Let's see, what is this? Let me see what these are that I have up. My simple is a 9. A 9 and a 21, actually. So let me see how that's working. Let me change these. 9 and a 21. Update.
get this a little bit larger. There we go. Buy signal. Sell. Buy. Sell. Maybe I want to bang this back to the 15. Let's see if it works better. Looks like it does work a little better. 9 and a 15. All right. I'm going to go ahead and join the bid real quick and let's just see what happens. Although I'm seeing that it's going to a 3, which is right there. Well, I don't like how close this is. This might fall. Oh, it is falling. Update. Still calling for a very small jump. Interesting. Is this a 9 and a 15? This is a 9 and a 21? Hold on. Yeah, this is a 21 and a 9. Bang back, cancel. That actually looks really good, the way that that's opening and closing. So let me see. 9 and 21. Let me update again. Why is it different on this? 15. Alright, so we just banged back to 177. Looks like we're sitting on the 21 right now. We just want to get in for a couple bucks. Templates. Single. All right, so sitting at 179. Let's go for it and join the bid. Where are we? KTRA. Getting a buy signal on KTRA. It looks like we're turning a little bit on this 180. Let's bang back on our Elliott wave, do an update. This says we're going to see 188 soon. So let's just join the bid. All right, we've joined the bid at 180. Oops. And it got filled and we're automatically $1 down. Not a problem. So let's see what happens from here. And it's starting to get a little bit of a move. Want to see a little bit of a move. All right. Still kind of figuring out what direction it's going. Hoping to see a bounce off the 21. We didn't see it. So now we are looking for a move up. And we should get a move with volume coming in. All right. Not a lot going on right here. We might want to get a better entry. We're back at break even, but we want to get out with a little bit. Now they should bounce up. They should bounce up. A little bit of a fade on our indicators.
Everything else looks like it's coming up though. Auto Elliott wave that one more time. Oh, now we have a target of 201. And we're going to go ahead and hold on to this. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to this for now. We want to see what I'm looking at. It's right here. So I'm looking at this 197 target. Oh, this is our 197 at VWAP. I'm looking at this $2 target. We are currently at 0 right now. I haven't activated the bot. I did it manually. I'm just going to go ahead and move that back, keep that out of the way so I can have multiples in front of me. We do not want to see a bounce down from here. Let's see if AX or KTRA is on any of our lists. It's not on any of our lists. So I don't know why it's on Weeble and not on... Oh, Squawk Audio stopped. Error attempted to reconnect. So am I having some streaming issues right now? Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. And I'm back. Hey, Mo. I'll tell you now, never work for the Japanese. Gets so much for something that's hardly a problem. Over 19 on AMC. Yes, sir. Yeah, not a problem. I will, I'll make sure not to work for the Japanese. Let's see. So we got a lot of things coming out now that we opened up the price to infinity. KTRA, we were seeing a good amount of sell or buy signals coming up there. Let's go ahead and refresh. No, I'm going to leave that. Are there any other filters? One of the biggest AMC squeezes happening right now. Yes, I understand. We are at 1896 on AMC. 1896. We want to get back over 19, but it is so early in the day. It is so early in the day. All right, so that's about right. We'll leave that. I don't see any other. It says there's 2 filters. Maybe it's just the subtype. I mean, what else is there? Alright, I'm going to leave that. Cancel out. Error attempting to reconnect. Everything says I'm okay with my stream. Let's go ahead and put that into 10 seconds. And maybe that's what the issue is. And let's get our squawk box on. There we go. Squawk box is working. And we are refreshing. Let's refresh in real time. Real time. And let's go ahead and bang back. Oh, we are seeing a fade on KTRA. But hopefully it'll be held up by the 200. And let's see. Nothing happening right there. Let me go ahead and put them in my tip ranks. And see what's going on with Kintara. Hopefully we can bounce off of this 200 EMA real quick. Oh. Hold on, I'm just answering the text. Alright, I'll get it figured out.
I don't want to end the stream with so much going on today, but I think I'm going to end the stream. I have some things I have to deal with. So we're in a trade right now. It's not too bad. It's sitting at about a $2 loss. Not a big deal. Hoping that we can see this jump up to. Did we lose? We lost it. Oh no, the jump is still there, up to about $2. So we're waiting for that. We'll see what happens. As of right now, I am going to shut the stream down. I hope you all had a good day. I hope you all made some money. We've been looking at a lot of different stocks. We've been looking at cryptocurrency. As of right now, just to send us off, just give it a second to load. AMC is sitting at over $19 at $19.09. GameStop sitting at $241. Bitcoin sitting at 38.9, trying to break the 39 area, and Dogecoin sitting at 34.5. So that's where we're at right now. I want to thank Mo and everybody else that came to the stream today for watching. I hope everybody has a good day, and I think we're just going to end it right there. So I hope you all have a good day, and that's all. I will see you next time.